This week on AtlantiCast. Accelerating the pace of medical breakthroughs when it comes to fighting cancer. Atlantic Health System and the New York Jets team up to make a crucial catch. Meet the only cardiac shock team in New Jersey, plus some key warning signs to know if you have thyroid cancer. Hello, I'm Luke Margolis. Welcome back to AtlantiCast. Atlantic Health System has teamed up to accelerate the pace of medical research into the fight against cancer. A flagship program, the Breakthrough Oncology Accelerator, launched at Atlantic Health, is a partnership with Translational Genomics Research Institute, or TGen, and Origin Commercial Ventures to give patients faster access to care and better outcomes by helping doctors and researchers share their knowledge and advance the use of innovative treatment options. To learn more, visit our website, AtlanticHealth.org. Atlantic Health System and the New York Jets teamed up recently to make a crucial catch in the fight against pediatric cancer. As part of the NFL and American Cancer Society's Crucial Catch campaign to intercept cancer, Atlantic Health System was proud to send 5 honorary captains to midfield for the coin toss before the Jets game against the Denver Broncos. The captains were kids who are undergoing or have completed treatment at Goryeb Children's Hospital. One of those kids, Jack, was undergoing treatment last year, so he had to watch from the sidelines virtually using Vigo robot technology. That's the same thing Anna, a patient at Goryeb Children's Hospital, did this year. The Jets also held a fundraiser that resulted in $23,844 in donations to Goryeb. Thank you to our friends at the Jets for all of their support. To see photos from MetLife Stadium, visit our social media pages, and links to those can be found at AtlanticHealth.org. Imagine having a team of specialists standing at the ready, prepared to jump into action with just a single phone call to treat a heart emergency. Atlantic Health System is the first health system in New Jersey to offer clinicians a one phone call activation process for patients suffering from a severe heart emergency. Known as the Shock Team, this group of experts, including a cardiac surgeon, an interventional cardiologist, and an advanced heart failure cardiologist, work together quickly to identify and treat patient needs. There's no better feeling than working up a good sweat for a good cause. That's exactly what leaders throughout Atlantic Health System did recently when they hopped on treadmills and exercise bikes all across the system to raise money for the American Heart Association's annual Heart Walk. The AHS team led all Northern New Jersey teams in fundraising, having raised almost $40,000 in total, and more than 200 AHS team members walked on Sunday, October 21st. While October was Breast Cancer Awareness Month, Atlantic Health System is ready to treat this disease all year long at facilities such as Chilton Medical Center's newly renovated Breast Center. The new facility, which you can see some of in a recent AtlantiCast Medical Minute, has state-of-the-art equipment and is open now, making this the right time to AskHer, Atlantic Health System's annual campaign to enlist your help in beating breast cancer. AskHer was your chance to make sure the women in your life got their annual mammogram. You can learn more about the Breast Center and the AskHer campaign at AtlanticHealth.org. Modern Healthcare has named Atlantic Health System one of its best places to work for 2018. This recognition is one of several this fall for Atlantic Health, including Glenn Deitz of Atlantic Mobile Health earning the 2018 EMS Administrator of the Year Award by the National Conference on EMS. Morristown Medical Center was awarded the 2018 Bernard Birnbaum Quality Leadership Award from Vizient for being a top-performing academic medical center that demonstrates excellence in delivering high-quality care. You can learn more about these achievements at AtlantiCast.org. Do you have the cold or the flu? Well, this time of year, that's a pretty important thing to know, and luckily we can help. Dr. Cynthia Benson, the Assistant Emergency Department Director at Overlook Medical Center, breaks down the differences between the two in a recent article published online. One of her key tips? How fast the symptoms set in. The cold can settle in gradually overnight or the course of a day or two, but the flu hits within hours. Check out the rest of Dr. Benson's tips at AtlantiCast.org. We also have some important information for those worried about thyroid cancer. Dr. James Chen, the director of Atlantic Medical Group's Thyroid Center at Summit and an endocrinologist at Overlook Medical Center, recently shared 7 warning signs of thyroid cancer. A link to those is posted at AtlantiCast.org too. As we go to a real quick break, Hackettstown was the place to be in October. The Hackettstown Community Day brought together great food and fun to the campus of Hackettstown Medical Center. Plus, the inaugural Colors for Cancer Run raised nearly $27,000 for the Joan Neckel Cancer Center at Hackettstown Medical Center. Thanks to everybody who participated. You're watching AtlantiCast, health news from our network to your screen. With the AtlantiCast Medical Minute, I'm Luke Margolis. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, but this issue matters all year long. So joining us now to tell us about what women need to keep in mind when it comes to their health and how men can help is Dr. Lisa Bash. She's the medical director for the Breast Center at Chilton Medical Center.
Luke, while breast cancer is the second most common cancer diagnosed in women, when caught in its earliest stages, there's a 99% survival rate. That's why it is so important for women to have annual screening mammograms starting at age 40 so we can detect abnormalities when they're small and most treatable.
So how is Atlantic Health System helping women beat this disease?
If you want to help someone in your life, the most important thing you could do is AskHer. That is why Atlantic Health System is running its annual AskHer campaign, encouraging people to ask the women in their lives whether or not they've had their annual screening mammogram. Plus, we now offer a new program which helps each woman assess her individual risk for breast cancer.
Thanks, Doctor. For more on AskHer, go to AtlantiCast.org.